making love with your wife, and he says, I don't have any time to. He was a very good-looking big doctor, and I said, yeah, you should find the time. And I said, but imagine making love to your wife after she's had the most incredible experience in her life. Or imagine a woman who's got a 3rd-degree tear, 4th-degree tear. See, I tried to get the 3rd and 4th-degree tears in the United States. They don't even document it. It's so freaking common. It's so common. They don't want that written down. And I worked throughout the United States to try to find it. But some people getting 2nd, but not 3rd and 4th. And there, that means, tell them how, it means going all the way to the rectum.
4-та степен е когато се разкъсаш дуално се чака, 3-та степен е почти. И тя казва, че това е толкова често, че те даже не спрят труда да го записват. Мисля, че се случва супер често. Да.
Така, при нея?
Не. So you don't have these tears? No.
When my son was in medical school, doing his OB rotation, he was like, and I didn't really hear him complain about too much. He knew what he was going into, kind of. Once we told him he wasn't going to learn anything about herbs and chiropractic, he was like, what? But anyway, he's one of these kids that tries to be at the top of his class, so he caught on pretty fast. And he's real good at just being able to get in there and grab the information and not get too emotional. I would get berserk. I would go nuts. But
He's a man.
Well, he's a triple Gemini is what he is, and he can just, he's real bright and fast, and he can just get in and get out. He's like, he gets out of medical school not knowing anything, and they gave him $5,000. He's a bright boy, and he's charismatic, and everybody loves him. And when he went through the OB rotation, personally, I don't think men should be doing OB. Bottom line. I believe that fathers should catch their babies if they want to. And almost every father does with me. I don't believe medical doctors should be speaking for our movements or telling us how sacred and orgasmic it is. Let us talk. We're the ones that are going through it. I don't tell them I know what it's like to have a heart on. I should. I did tell the medical doctors in Athens I had bigger balls than them. They were like, want me to show you? They were fun. I actually had a great time in the hospital with them. They were fabulous. But what did I got left out? Oh, when he saw the OB, he called me up one day and he goes, Mom, how many tears have you had? And I said, 3rd degree, 4th degrees, never. And I said, 2nd degrees. Do you want to know how many 2nd degrees I have? And he said yes. And I said, 4. And I started defending myself. I got real defensive. I said, 1 the apprentice did, but I have to take that on because I was the midwife. So I take that on. She wasn't ready, and I should have known that. And so I take that on as one of them. 1, I couldn't get her back. She was too scared. I just couldn't get her back. There was all of her sexual abuse came up, and she went too far. I couldn't get her. And